Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Wing. This is third part of video lecture for class 8, History, chapter 5th, When People Rebel. Students, the topic we will discuss is a mutiny becomes rebellion. Student, this is very usual. Struggle between rulers and ruled. But when large section of people and people from all the societies revolt against the ruler, subjects is matter to be worried. Here, all the Indians saw the British as their common enemy, and in whole the country, people rebelled against British. And for this rebellion, people have to be organized. They have to communicate with each other. They have to take initiatives. Students, sepoys mutinied in their regiments. They disobeyed their officers. They killed their officers. And some historians called this incident, this is the biggest armed revolt in the world at that time. Student, next topic is from Meerut to Delhi. On 29th March 1857, very brave sepoy Mangal Pandey was hanged on the charge of killing his officer in Barakpur. In response of this incident, in Meerut regiment, army refused to perform their army drill. They refused to obey their officers. They marched to the jail and they broke the jail and freed all the Indians, and they looted the arms and ammunition. They set fire in the buildings of British, they killed the British, they looted the British treasury. This was incident of 9th May. After this, they rode to Delhi, and on 10th May, early in the morning, they reached Delhi. On hearing this, sepoys in the Delhi regiment revolted against their officers. They killed their officers, set fires in offices and buildings, and all the sepoys went to the Red Fort. They stayed there and they demanded to meet the King Bahadur Shah Jafar. They persuaded Bahadur Shah Jafar to be their king because after abolition of British rule, who will rule the country? This was the big question. Dear students, they came to discuss that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be their next king. Although Bahadur Shah Jafar was not willing to be their king, unwillingly he became ready to be their king. And finally he wrote letter to all the rulers and chieftains. And rulers and chieftains got this news. They became very happy. Why? Because they thought that they would be able to rule their kingdom. They would be able to rule their territory under the subordinates of Bahadur Shah Jafar. So, all the rulers, chieftains, sepoys and civilians all decided to revolt against British. Means this become very big revolution. British thought that this would be end up after some while. They never thought that this small rebellion becomes such a big revolt. That's all. Stay at home to fight with Corona. Have a nice day.